Happy Monday, everybody. Wanted to show you again that beautiful Dakota Magic Casino sky cam. Have lost a little bit of the coloring there in the past, say, 30 seconds or so, but it was really colorful and bright there with the sun just setting there in the Hankinson area. So a fantastic shot there with those clouds out toward the west helping to give us some of those colors. There's those clouds in our western neighborhoods kind of moving in from the Minot area. With that, some rain showers up north of Minot. I don't think any of that precipitation tonight will affect us whatsoever, but we will see a few clouds here or there, especially in our western counties as we head through the rest of this evening into the overnight. But most of the active weather is moving from north to south through the Montana areas, so we are watching for a bit of an agitated pattern going into our Tuesday, but of course we'll talk about that here on the hour by hour in just a couple seconds. Let's talk about those temperatures now. That white line you see there is the 32-degree line, so we are starting to see some of those temperatures cooling into northern Minnesota. 28 in Halleck, 30 in Baudette, 31 in Bemidji, 31 also in Thief River Falls. Still 41 in Jamestown though, and 43 in Oaks. So plenty of mild air still out there. And where the rain shower is there near the Minot area, they're seeing upper 40s there in Minot and Bismarck as well. Here's the hour by hour for us tonight. Most of that cloud cover looks to stay out toward the west and move off to the south. So pretty quiet conditions expected for the rest of this evening. Look at the temperatures. By the time you join us for Valley News Live at 10 o'clock, we're seeing still 20s and 30s for those temperatures. So fairly stable to where they are right now. Then by, say, 3 a.m., I am watching a bit of a northwesterly wind to make its way in through the overnight, but by morning, take a look at this. I do expect that wind to be gone. So not nearly as windy, say, by 7:30 a.m. as it is going to be overnight. 20s, though, still expected for most of us, with maybe some upper teens also in the Devil's Lake Basin areas, but above average, well above average for this time of year. Then, as we head through the lunchtime hour on our Tuesday, I'm expecting clouds to increase from west to east. Temperatures by lunch still 20s and 30s. Notice no wind arrows on there, so not looking to be windy by any means, but as we head through the dinner time hour, watching for some mixed showers to make their way into the Devil's Lake Basin and across the Red River Valley. Temperature profile of the atmosphere will be crucial. Will be crucial to see just what type of precipitation falls tomorrow. So notice basically along and south of 94, we're seeing temperatures upper 30s, lower 40s. But along in north, we're seeing those temperatures right near freezing. So could be some mixed precipitation for us along 94. Up toward the north, though, where temperatures are cooler, notice it's mostly snowfall. But mainly south is where we could see that wintry mix there between the snowfall and the rain. By 10 o'clock tomorrow night, still seeing 30s, 20s up toward the north, I should say, 30s for most everybody else by the 10 o'clock hour. Not looking like much in the way of snowfall. It's light snow. It's moving pretty quickly, so may see an inch of snowfall in far northern Minnesota when everything is said and done, but not looking too impactful for us in regard to measurements of snowfall from this quick-moving system making its way through. But in Fargo for tomorrow, notice things start off really quiet, those middle 20s there by morning, and then warming up into those middle 30s with some clouds increasing as we head into the afternoon. In the metro, I'm expecting the best chance of precipitation in our neck of the woods to be around that evening commute, or we'll say around dinner time and points thereafter, between say 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock, probably the best chance of seeing that precipitation in the metro, so keep that in mind. And temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s, so we'll be right on that boundary between freezing and above freezing for that precipitation type. So keep that in mind. May encounter some slippery spots on some sidewalks and roadways tomorrow evening. Look at this beautiful photo of the day. Sunrise from Cass Lake. Mark shared this amazing photo with us to our website, valleynewslive.com. I want to point out Wednesday, after some kind of wintry precipitation chances on Tuesday, we're in the upper 40s to near 50 for us in the metro on Wednesday. Expecting quite a few folks off toward the south and southwest to be well into the 50s for us on Wednesday. And then we do cool down, though. A system comes through on Thursday, brings the chance of some light snow for Wednesday. Not looking too impactful, that's why I've left it off the 7-day planner at this point, but 30s for those Thursday and Friday high temperatures. Then we are much cooler into the weekend, 20s for highs. And of course, I mentioned at the beginning of this newscast, the chance of some late snow showers on Saturday into Sunday morning. A few showers again possible on Monday. But Mike, not seeing much in the way of organized snowfall for us into the first weekend of December.
Wow, surprising.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yep.
It's one thing to buy Christmas gifts. It's another thing to get them mailed on time. Up next, how soon you have to have your gifts shipped if you want them there by Christmas.